The word Lavra from Greek means who did it? It's a moot point. Hi, this is BlondeKyiv, and today I'll show you a Kyiv-Pechersk Lavra, also known as the Kyiv Monastery of the Caves. It's an Orthodox Christian monastery. Since its foundation as the Kyiv Monastery in 1051, the Lavra has been at center of Eastern Orthodox Christianity in Eastern Europe. It's a part of UNESCO World Heritage. The history of the Kyiv Pechersk Lavra begins in 11th century during the reign of the Prince Yaroslav the Wise. Seeking solitude, the monks were looking for it and organized the cave city here. One of the monks, Antony, settled here and became founder of the Pechersk Monastery, and together with him other monk Theodosius created one of the most famous cathedrals. Look at this great Church of the Trinity. It was built in 10th century as part of Pechersk Lavra fortification. In 1073, Antony built the Cathedral of the Assumption of Blessed Virgin Mary here. The word Lavra from Greek means a street, and our Lavra monastery looks exactly as a literal city with the streets. Lavra survived many attacks from enemies, but the huge damage to the architectural and historical values of the Lavra was caused during the Second World War. In 1941, the Assumption Cathedral in Kyiv was blown up. Who did it? It's a moot point. There is an opinion about Soviet regime, but there is another point of view. This could have been done by the Nazis. The cathedral was restored already in 1995. Spiritual life returned to Lavra in 1988. Let's go check the view of Lavra and Kyiv. Time for sport. Here we are. And of course, Lavra is famous for its caves. The nearby caves, also known as the Antony Caves, contain several ancient burials, including the relics of Antony himself. There are three streets here, a refectory where the monks gathered, and underground cave. At the entrance of the church caves, girls have to cover their legs and heads. This is the way to mummies. It's dark inside and you need a candle. Unfortunately, I cannot film inside the caves and church because it's a holy place for a lot of Orthodox people. But try to film some moments hiddenly. So that's all for today. Please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe my videos. I also have Patreon. Please feel free to support my videos and I can continue making more and buy better vocabulary and improve my English. Bye!